Good morning, everyone! It's Darla's Fun Toys, and it's already December 8th, the 8th day of my Advent calendar. Let's get rolling. What's inside, guys? Letter L. Where's letter L? That's letter X. Oh, here. Huh? It's a bit hard to shake, guys. Let's. Ooh. Come on, come on, come on. We got 2 loom bands. Oh my god. Are these different? Look at those colors. Wow. How about... Ooh, wait. Actually, 3 packets of loom bands. What else? Some loom band making tools. And quirky bands. There are 4 types for the quirky bands. Fantasy World, Fairy Tale Dress Up, Delicious Delights, and Puppy Galore. Ooh, wait, it's a bit open. Let's see. Let's see one of these. This must be a lollipop. Wow! These are 2-tone bands. So good. There are 12 of them. Let's see the loom bands. Look, 2 different types. Wow! Bye guys, please like and subscribe and hit that notification bell for new videos. Bye!